Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on today's videos are very special. So guys, I just woke up from my house, and let me check the time, guys. So it's around 09:38 a.m. That's my local time in Africa here. So guys, I hope everybody are doing good and flow the vibe, guys, to the end. So that's how my house looks like. So let me take you outside, guys, and then I'll come back. Wow, I'm telling you guys, look, it's very in the morning, and then it's a kind of gloomy day, guys. Look how the sky looks like. So we can't complain, guys. Wow, let me wipe my camera because it has some issues. So right now it's just okay. Wow, let's go outside. Hey, the village life. Whew. Oh, sister, what happened? Guys, I found my sister outside. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Mbona umekuja nyumbani?
Nimefukuza.
Guys, I just wake up from my house, and then I found my sister hanging outside here. So I'm asking what happened from school. She told me she have been chased away from school because of school fees. And guys, I need to be like, man, whoa, shingapi.
Biatoto msiri na biabili.
Oh guys, only $7. So she can able to go to school, guys. And wow, yeah, this is my baby here. So we don't want to walk with my sister, so probably you heard from her, guys. She have been sent from school because of man, guys. I know in school, guys, we can't study without any payment. We need to make a payment, at least half of the money, and then you study, guys. So guys, what should I do? Right now, the money that I have, I spend all of them here making constructing the carabat or fixing the carabat until top notch, and the way you see we get water, guys. So right now I'll see, guys, the best way. I'm the guy who value education, and I don't want to see my sister or my brother around home. So I want to work so hard, guys, to achieve my goal, to achieve my dream, and to make sure my sister gets well educated. Maybe in the future she'll be a doctor, she'll be a nurse, you never know, she'll be a teacher, a pilot, engineer, you never know, guys. So me, I'm just doing my part, and then the rest I left for her. And actually, guys, she was performing well in school. In terms of education, my sister, there's something here we call pimples. I don't know, a mosquito bites me, and then it brings some issues, and then like it's need me like to do like this, and then all scratch. But anyway, let's go, guys, let's go. If you follow these videos for the first time, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, this is what I'm calling home. It's a chill home, it's a calm home. And remember, guys, all the way positive vibe. So at least a morning like this, we wake up from the house, we fetch water from the borehole, or from the well, and also the toilet is just over there, and bathroom. Let me go closer, guys. For when I'm talking this, for my new subscriber, they said, oh, maybe we didn't see, but for my solid subscriber, you have already known. So I'm showing you guys this I'm calling home with a simple life, not faking life. So we have the borehole here, and then we fetch water from here, we take to the toilet, and then also to the bathroom right there. Wow, That's what I fight for my family. And also, guys, I make sure my family eats, every day, you know, whether it's morning, noon time, or lunch time and evening time. We're calling breakfast, lunch time, and also supper time. So they must eat. Wow, it's by God grace, If I take you, there's a day I will make a video for our back years, how we struggle, and nowadays, it's by God grace. And on my side, guys, I feel so happy, so good when my family take break time, lunchtime, and sup. That's my pure happiness, So, oh, my sister, she was waiting me, and then other students are learning. Maybe you should catch up other students on maybe different lesson. I don't know. But my work is to push my family, So, wow. Let me take you this way, guys. It's been long when I didn't shoot my video at home. Man, I feel like crazy. Okay. Give a video a like, guys, Give a video a like. Wow. Give a video a like. So the woman who plant maize here, the maize have been already dried up, but she keep delaying. I don't know. Anytime, guys. If I will do maybe beyond of my expectation to cut trees and then fall, boom. But I didn't want maybe some chaos and also stuff. People start blaming me. No. So let me give him time. If it's my brother's maize, I could cut and then fall, and then we harvest that maize. But I know, guys. Let's give her time. I know most of the people are waiting this day to become, and I'll start from nothing, because right now I have some starting material. The only thing give me a challenge is the foundation, because I'm not sure about those hardcore or those bigger stones for the foundation. I don't know whether it can finish up. Guys, me no idea on that. But the main thing is to have cement around, let me say, the minimum of 60 bag. And also, that blocks, it's supposed to be add one trip and then boom. If there's a day I bring some guy here with truck who drop the sand with a brood truck. So they told me, oh, if you give me 56,000, I bring you 900 blocks. I see it's a bit different of 200 blocks. Imagine, guys. Anyway, when I get money, I just spend on that, because what I need is to have material and everything. So I don't want, when a day I'll start constructing here, starting saying, oh, no more stones, no, like this and that. No, I must have all material on the ground. But I spend all my time to buy material rather than starting and then the house stop. That's what I'm trying to avoid, guys. But I spend maybe the whole year buying everything that I needed, and then when I start, it's boom. So because I don't want to start with this, and then maybe I have around maybe 20 bags of cement, and then the house top, no balance stones. Imagine those situations. When I see this one, man, I feel like my stomach is full. There's no need to eat food, because this is another step that I made. Yeah, you try to create an image, like create an information, if hello baby from the handman, and then try to buy this whole material that you see here. Man, it's by God's grace. My life have been transformed, man. My life have been transformed, and I say, God, thank you. you know. So I just come here to see these stones. It's a little bit, I'm shocked with these stones because the house that I'm going to build, it's not an easy thing. So I need to, this one, we're supposed to add two, this one, two. Let's see how this month will end up, guys. Keep supporting me, watching my videos, guys. Please watch my videos to the end, and if you find any ads on my video, watch to the end. So at least at the end of the month, I'll be able to bring some construction material, you know. I'm not the guy who, like, when I get money, going to pump champagne outside there with friends. No. I'm the guy who, if I get even $1, I spend on construction. Better I remain broke with nothing, but I do something, you know. So building is not an easy thing, guys. So that's the good thing about me, you know. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So it's time to take my sister back to school, and I'll see, guys, whether I can talk with some teachers or head teacher. You know, in Africa here, especially in our village, we have head teacher, deputy, senior teacher, you know, and all staff and other teachers, you know. According to the, am I going to say level of teaching? I don't know. It's because, for example, in our family here, the head of family is my dad, and then the second king is my mom, and then follow with the firstborn up to the lastborn. That's what I'm trying to mean. In school, we have head teacher, deputy, senior, and the rest of the teachers up to the lower classes. Okay, guys, I don't want to spend a lot of time at home here, so it's time to take my sister to school. Imagine, guys, she wake up in the morning going to school, but she didn't expect this. So a day like this, she wanna been chased from school because of money, you know. Right now it's 09:50. I don't know if you can see, guys. You know, this one's somehow crazy right there. Anyway, let's go, guys. Let's go. Umekunywa chai? Wamepika? Okay. Yeah, let me say good morning to my mama. and then we go. Hey, ona chai kwa tamo sukunywe twende. Yeah, the good thing, it's my mama. She have already prepared the tea, you know. Mama, good morning, ma.
I am fine.
You're good?
I am fine. I am good.
Okay, guys, I need to take my sister to school. Right now, they have been chased money. So I'm telling mama napeleka na boni shule na amefukuza pesa. Yeah. I'm helping my mama, guys. Other things to solve out. So I'm waiting my sister to finish breakfast, like taking a cup of tea, and then we shall continue from there. Wow. Hey, my mom's kitchen garden. I'm like, man, we plant this Kelsey as a joke. We said let's do it as a small kitchen garden, but right now it shows us good results. Like, you can keep doing more than that. Look from other side, guys. Those green stuff or green veggies that you see there, that's kales. It's growing like crazy. And also we have pumpkin leaves. We normally eat the new leaves like this. Not this one. This one somehow hard, but this one soft. You see? That's have some green in color. This one has green but some white. So this one here, it's somehow hard. Yeah. Remember, guys, your son is outside to chase the dream every day, and to achieve my goal is not an easy thing, you know. Kuna chai? Yeah, I found myself pushing. And sorry guys for my prim again yesterday. I don't know whether my phone have some problem. I didn't understand, you know. I put the video and then it shows some errors. But I said, oh, today you'll get these videos, guys, you know. I must be washed here. You know. So it needs to repaint again. Yeah, to be look clear. Wow. Alright guys, also let me prepare myself in terms of because I'm heading to the school, in terms of wearing trouser and be neat, guys. I don't want to go there like shagala baga, you know. I need to be wear good. I don't want to be wear like shagala baga, like the shirts look like this with short. No, as a good brother taking my sister to school, I need to show a respect, you know. I need to show respect. Respect come first. Yeah, $7. I can see, guys, maybe tomorrow or by today's on Monday or by Wednesday, if I can find that money, I'll complete the payment of my sister. Yeah, so today let me go maybe to pay a half and then you know, to complete, because I think even last month I have the balance, you know. So that's how we bring the total of $7. So today I'll go and pay maybe $3. That's 300 Kenyan shillings, and then I ask for the permission up to on Wednesday, or yeah, on Wednesday, Thursday there. If I can get that money, I paid. I finished the payment, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm still going. Wait, my sister, say hello. Okay. Guys, that's my sister at the back there. So I decided to wear a heavy jacket. Right, I was checking something here. So guys, today don't want maybe other people want yellow baby, you take another direction. No, I just go in border town, no, around this banner here, to put the gas for $1, and then as you keep going, because I was going to use that money to put gas, but my stuff been sent from school, so I need to make the payment on that. Wow. Let's go. Okay guys, right now we're back at my sister's school. Also I learned here, so I'm escorting her to end. So maybe so right now guys, I have here 300 Kenyan shillings. I'll make the payment. We continue on this vlog. So when I'm sitting here, down there, that's my Yunus place, and here it's Bush Dude's home. So I'm paid the visitor here, and actually it's Sunday morning, you know. The beauty of Africa, especially in our village, when maybe our neighbors, you heard the cock, you know, like cuckoo, you heard from Uncle Mo, you have also the cock, you know. So I'm going there. I want to host them on my channel, and I was been here making videos with one of my brother here, Bush Dude. Big shout out to him. Before I meet him, I'm giving him a special thank to him, guys. So let's go and see what is going, you know. Bring life from America to Africa. Wow, there's an A shape, and I think he was the one who build different house with other YouTubers, with other people, you know, in our village. So me, I was watching this house in South America, in North America, you know. So probably right now we watched that house in Africa, Kenya. So let's go. And at the same time, guys, I just pull up with my baby here because it's helped me a lot, man, in terms of maneuver around border town, all over the village. I'm using that bike, and I think I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so honored and grateful what I have. I say God thank you, you know. And this medicine, it's everywhere, guys. It's everywhere, you know. You see the cow grazing right there. We have another one right there. Man, that's village life, you know. Okay guys, and I hope everybody you are doing good. Let me know on the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog, you know. All my videos, it's positive energy, you know. So like, I don't want to put maybe negative energy on my video. No. All my videos, we flow with positive vibe from starting to the end. And in case you meet my videos, don't skip ads, guys, you know. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby official over here. Wow, and the sun is here. Maybe when your melanin is low, you can't survive when it's sunny, you know. Oh my god, I think right here, you see there's a sun where I'm block my hand. That's my sun. That's our sun, guys, you know. Yeah. And I know other places like there's not maybe enough sunny, you know, it's purely cold, you know. So I'm gonna park my bike on a shed right there because it's sunny, guys. Let me park there, and then because it's sunny, and then I don't want to interfere with my bike with sunny, guys. Yeah, guys. I'm pushing my bike, you know, like crazy. Yeah, I think here is best. Right here. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm still pushing the bike, you know. Yeah, here it's okay, you know. When it's under sunny, the tank overheats, and then the gasoline starts boiling, and then there's reduction of the gasoline. Wow. So they're preparing themselves and then we start vibing, guys. We start vibing. Oh man, today it's a special day, guys, and I want to say thank you everybody by keep supporting me, and may God bless you. Also, guys, my work is, maybe I see the medicine I share with you. Even you can see this one. If you have a cow that you are milking, and then the boobs, all boobs have some problem, and then maybe it's leaking blood, you know, you can't milk, you use this one. You know, I think also leaves, you crush it, these leaves, and then you mix with a little water, and then you start touching the boobs of the cow like this, and then healing those pain. Wow. So I'm gonna go there, guys. I think right now my bike it's safely, guys. Right, guys, let's go and see. Arumi, Nilte? Okay. Wow. So I'm gonna say hello.
That's for the bushman.
Yes. Hey, cold nature.
Yes, nature.
Imagine, guys, have here passion.
I'm collecting some passion fruit.
Yeah.
I've realized some of them they're falling down.
Oh.
Yeah, so I want to make passion fruit juice.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know passion fruit juice? Do you love it or have you?
I love it because everything is natural here, super organic.
Natural.
Yeah, no chemical.
No chemical, natural,
Yeah.
because you know everyone loves fruits, and,
Yes.
and everyone have a vision. I mean, what you want in your compound. Some even they build a house, but they don't think about trees. You know,
Yes.
such kind of small things, but are very important. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, like now I'm collecting. When people come here,
Maybe you go to other side.
yeah, I've collected. Even yesterday I collected. I have some visitors. They eat.
Yes.
They eat.
And also one word said, if you eat the food, you need to top up with fruits.
You have to top up. You see when you're tapping side,
Yes.
you can tell that you're eating fruits.
Pineapple, mango,
All of
avocado, yeah,
You
sugar
planted
cane.
mango.
Yeah, right
So that I
here.
don't buy. You see things with mango, you have to buy.
Yes, I like the way you plant some fruits.
Eh.
You know, even me at home, there are people advise my little baby, plant tomatoes,
Eh.
plant mango. Don't go in Tanzania every day buying those fruits. Sometimes it's good maybe
Yeah.
if other people bring some goods in the market.
So that you buy also.
Yes, you
If-
buy also, and then
So
you
you don't
promote.
want to be like if everyone plant.
Let me
who-
tell you
who
one
promote
thing.
Who?
Let me tell you one thing. You have fruits here. You have maize in the farm.
Yeah.
You have
Who
veggies.
you sell to?
Imagine.
So you want to be the buyer.
Yeah. We are
that's
here, guys,
crazy.
to look for the
Yeah.
money, and
Yeah.
then we promote our
Our
neighbors.
Our neighbors.
So they
That's
can
crazy.
put another food on table.
Yeah,
Yes.
but that's also nice. But at the end of it, you can't have everything.
Okay.
You know, you can't have everything. But there is those small things like,
Yes.
you know, like fruits. I should have fruits in your compound,
Yeah.
because me, I want my baby when they just have this purple, they take, and all that.
And then maybe the good thing about this one, if you get some bricks, you surround a bigger circle.
Yeah, so that it's prevented. So
Yes, and then now you cemented, and then you choose the
even
color.
there's even orange. You
Yes,
should have
here.
every fruit. Guava, naturally. You don't want to
And
plant
these beautiful flowers here, guys.
Yeah, this one I planted it, and I'm wondering it's really growing.
Yeah.
Imagine I just planted sticks, branches like.
For example, if you find a tire for an old car, you come
Or
and then you
put those,
fixed.
But now how many tires will you have inside here?
Okay, either you put some
You'll have so many tires.
bricks around, and then you
This
paint.
This one I just want it to be a forest. What I need to do here is just to plant those nice grass.
Okay.
So you know them?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you see this one.
You
it's
kill
giving-
this one.
Yeah, it's giving me stress to slashing. Sometimes I get pissed off, I burn. You see?
Okay, guys.
There are so many. You see, me I told you fruits. I don't want to go and buy fruit because
Yeah. Look, guys.
it's not every day that
have
you
passion. Look, here, even below here. So the good thing is,
And also this thing, what I'm loving also with this, all these trees, everything here is having meaning. If you're
Yes.
someone who loves nature, actually something that you should have in you. You know, when you're saying that I need to be promoting something, maybe in you don't have something to, like, people are gifted differently. You see someone love going to the gym every day. Me now, even me, I can't do that. Like, I can't do like doing like maize, big cash. But these small things like giving life, You see like this, you can hear some birds.
Yes.
You know what brings those birds? These
Fruits.
trees and these fruits.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
that's what
of
I was telling
maybe
you.
collecting nectars
Thank you.
and
You see? I
yeah,
was telling you.
this one
Yeah.
attracting birds,
Bees.
you know.
Sometimes the bee attack us. Yeah,
Yes.
like,
And let me tell you, if you have more fruits, you see many birds with different
let
colors.
me tell you, let me tell you, actually, God is working the way I want, because me, I'm a person who loves natural things, even
Yes.
birds. That quietness, that's what we need, you know.
Yeah.
And it's good for you. People go and pay in wildlife, and to see animals, even some
Sure.
to see birds or butterfly. But here there are so many, so it's just nature.
Yeah, sure.
For those like Nectar, I like seeing this documentary of wildlife. There's some birds, there's some species you can't find them anywhere. Like those nectars.
Yeah.
It's rare to find them. But me, I'm wondering why I see so many different
It's coming.
Yeah, they have so many, and they're very beautiful.
Yeah, maybe in the evening and morning hour.
And
Here.
the leaf is here, so they don't have stress.
Yes.
So I'm even thinking even to plant more passion fruit.
Also, maybe let me say less than 5 years which are coming. Here, maybe you find maybe monkeys jumping here. You
I
know.
don't want monkey.
You don't want? Oh, me?
Guavas.
Yes.
Monkeys used to be here. I used to chase them when I was young. Do you know monkey? You say monkey, my friend.
There's other monkey that
You
can
better
behave.
you better even say in some few days we'll see some rabbits.
Here.
I can eat rabbit. Monkey will eat your maize, everything. Monkey will eat your fruits.
There are other people who loves monkey.
Yeah, we say just pure vibes. You don't attract bad vibes.
Yeah.
Monkey.
Monkey. Guys, for sure, life in Africa is very nice.
You see, we see avocado. There's
Yeah,
so many.
at the corner here.
In my
Wow,
boundary there.
right here. This is your boundary?
Yeah, you see even those.
Yes, those trees.
See
Hey.
our neighbor here
Yeah, a millionaire. Building house with some stones.
with some stones.
We say rocks?
Yeah, this guy is smart.
Yeah.
He's smart because when we had this land, there were so many stones there, and we couldn't even cultivate there because they were all over stones.
Oh, they crushed all of them?
We say this one is wealthy.
Oh.
And he was knocking from there. You see, there's so many stones there.
Yes, guys. On the other side.
Yeah, to build it, and that's the strongest house.
Yeah.
And you see vegetable, the plants for week. So here, no pressure. Here's the Garden of Eden.
Sure, guys. Yeah, when on the other side you see the kales, guys, and we have sunflowers, we have maize. Going down, you have tomatoes. I think it's the same guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
That one is called, I call him agriculture guy.
Yes. Look at these flowers, guys.
I have so many guavas.
In the evening, maybe you can chill inside there. No one will know you.
I was trying to prepare here in the evening. You see, this tree is really growing well. I have so many trees of these. Even
Yeah.
sometimes I forget to have this one.
Oh,
Because this one attracts birds. You know,
Yes.
this one with some tones.
those wavy birds.
Yeah, you see how it's growing? So I'll make eventually and make here a shade.
Yeah.
Actually, I want this place to be somewhere anyone can come and visit.
Greenland.
Yeah, and you don't have problem of food, such kind of things, because and I want to do those roundable houses here
Okay.
with beds so that you can
Oh.
hey, sleep here. In
I
this
know those
forest,
house. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want
So-
to bring life from coast to the
Yeah.
village.
Here in the village. So
Yes.
even if it's food, like I'm saying, I can put like a table, something. You know, when you say someone can steal your idea, let me
Yes.
keep quiet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't
There are so
say
many
your
ears. There are
idea.
so many ears listen
Yes.
open. You know, here you never walk with ears closed.
Yeah.
Avocado.
It seems you like avocado.
Man, who doesn't like avocado?
Yeah. You
Even
plant
China-
more.
Even Chinese love avocado.
Yes.
We import avocado from here to China.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't know that.
Because I'm new on that.
China and
Is-
avocado. If you see even today, if you go even to Nyaboan stage, you see so many people
Buying.
collecting avocado. Many wondering, and you don't even know that guy. Maybe even it's from Nairobi, Magic coming to buy here because you see business.
Okay.
So people are seeing opportunity. So me,
Yes.
for me to do, they'll just come here. Avocado, yeah, come. I get 5,000.
At a lower price, and then they're going to sell at the higher
and,
price.
And I'm also remaining with some to eat because you can't eat all of them.
Oh my god. Yes,
So,
guys.
That's it. That's my compound. I love trees. Just want to be a peaceful place. Even if I don't have food, I don't
Yes.
care. I can listen to birds.
Yeah, and then be full and then you
I
sleep.
eat my passion fruit.
Yes.
I even have maize. You still have a garden?
Yeah, I
That's
see
my
down there.
garden. Maize, I have bananas,
Okay.
and all that. Pawpaw.
Yeah,
Pawpaw.
down here. Papaya.
Papaya.
Also some roots for the papaya. It's a medicinal.
The medicine, even those leaves.
Yes.
Those leaves. I don't know, this tree, I bought it, but I'm coming to realize this guy, they sold me a tree that is grow even in the forest.
This one?
Yeah.
It's
You
a
see these
fruit,
seeds?
so?
No, this is a tree, natural tree, but I love the leaves.
Okay.
It's very nice. When it grows, I mean.
Okay. And maybe having a good shade.
Yeah, even
Look,
groundnuts.
you're rich, bro. Groundnuts. Look.
Groundnuts, man.
Yes.
The only rodents eating from the ground.
Sure.
And this one is cactus.
Yeah, this one.
The cactus is it's also a medicine.
Yes, these are
Laquats.
ranquats.
Do you love laquats?
Yeah.
So
Even,
you'll be buying even laquats.
even this one, when I'm going to Congrats that's home, I normally eat.
Oh, they have them?
Yeah, they have them.
Laquats are very sweet.
Yes.
Oh, laquats, you can see they eat them the whole day.
Yes, and then there's fruits are in yellow in color.
Yeah, yellow in color.
Yes.
Oh, laquats, thank laquats for being. You know, sometimes you plant, they don't grow.
You plant as a joke, and then right now you see the
Now
beauty
you
of
see
planting
you see all
flowers.
these plants, they know me.
Okay.
All of them. Yeah, when they see me, they feel like even hugging me.
Yeah, you can hug. Yes. Eh. Yeah.
Any comment?
Yes, these are
And
purple,
this
guys.
one is a pawpaw. So when we grew, we used to, when you know some pawpaw sometimes you can plant, some become male, and they don't produce pawpaw.
Yeah.
And here what we want is pawpaw as we eat.
Yes.
So I realized this one has almost started becoming mature, so I had to give it a baby here.
Like this one. I think this one is a male. That's the reason why.
It's a male, but
you
now I'm trying to convince it with this baby. I don't know if it can turn.
Guys,
That's
according
very
to our
bad.
culture, even me at home there,
Tell
we
me.
normally do like that. If maybe the purple male, we're supposed to do like this.
And you only use which thing? Specific. There's a specific thing that you tie with.
yeah,
a maize
think
cob.
cob. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Specifically, not a stick, not what.
No. Maize cob.
Yeah, this baby.
Because those what we believe since maybe our old ancestors, guys, up to nowadays, we believe on our culture. And then it's
sometimes-
working.
Now, when you grow up, sometimes we try these things. Now, if you want to be a male, let me try. You see, if it will work. It's almost producing. Let me see.
You know, for those people who do agriculture, they can cut if it's a male and then fix
with
with
a
a female, and then it's grow.
Now I have to look for a female, and how will I know that it's a female now? I come to fix. I might be fixing it the same male.
Yeah, maybe. Let's give them time.
Or what I see, if agriculture also they do what? They cut the chop here, this pawpaw.
Yes.
They take this lemon, they fix
They
here.
fix there, and then it's grow. But I know,
now you harvest pawpaw and lemon.
guys, sometimes we have some tricky situation from agricultural people.
That's my crazy.
Imagine.
Like, you see, like my other orange.
Yes.
From the ground is a lemon, but the upper one is orange.
Imagine.
So now the lemon has started growing from the other side, and the orange is growing. I'm like, you grow together.
Yeah.
So I'll be harvesting lemon and orange.
Yeah.
But this one is a lemon.
Sure.
You can know by their thorns. They're very tiny.
Okay. Yeah. When it smells, this I think is a lemon.
It smells nice.
Yeah, this is a lemon.
I love lemons. They smell nice, eh?
Eh?
Nice.
Also leaves out medicine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, something that smells like this one, it's mint. Something that smells like this one can be a medicine.
Me, I believe there's one word say, bitter to the mouth,
Yeah.
medicinal to the stomach, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. If something's bitter to the mouth,
Yeah.
it can
cannot
treat your
be-
stomach.
Yeah.
But when it's sweet, it's poison to your stomach.
Your stomach.
Yeah. Also, I'm trying to give you an example of this lemon here, guys. You know. Wow.
You know.
Okay, guys.
So keep on smelling the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
You like,
Eh.
you like Bushman. Guavas. Me, I'm wondering guavas. Some even I don't know their names.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. See.
Yes.
Oh,
Guavas.
that's for hello, baby. Yeah. You want to give a shout out? See now here I have this is my garden now.
Yes, these are
No.
pumpkin.
I planted them with my own hand.
Oh,
So here I'm not even eating myself.
we have another kales known as those the local one. You can plant and then
That one I planted it.
for the suckers.
Yeah, those ones are very good. They go for long.
Mhm.
And that's what I want to plant. Last time I was given those things and I forgot them.
When it's raining
Just
time,
stop,
you just
plant.
plant.
Yeah, I just plant.
Mhm.
Because this place is very fertile.
Yes, and then you can eat that kales even let me say 10 years. If you
Yeah.
protect carefully, you can peel it 10 years. Imagine this one
Yeah,
here.
10 years.
It's a month and then boom.
Boom, bombo clad.
Don't say that word. There's one day I say that one.
Yeah.
It's a shit name.
Me, I had that bombo clad. It's anything that you feel like when even if you achieve something, you say bombo clad. You know.
No. That word. That's
Well,
for
If
yes.
you're going to someone and you are expecting somebody to meet someone and give you something and you go get that person is travel today, you're like shit bombo clad.
Okay, I hope for my Jamaican family said hello,
That's what I
baby.
heard from what
Yes.
you're explaining,
Yeah.
from their Jamaica.
Yeah.
That this word sometimes you can use it anywhere, but it depends on how you use it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when some words can be one word, but how you pronounce it, it brings the difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jamaica. One love.
One
See,
love.
Jamaica, I loved it.
You
But
left
here
it?
it's still Jamaica.
Yes.
Mm.
You love Jamaica.
I don't love Jamaica. I don't know, my Jamaica is in my mouth.
Oh. And
I
it's
love
your
Jamaica.
family.
It's my fan are there, man. I'm gonna come visit you soon.
Okay.
So this is my maize I planted. So I won't sleep hungry. There is so many things.
Yes. If you want to cook githeri, boom.
In fact, even today I was thinking of githeri. But
Yeah.
I finished. I haven't.
Do you remember githeri and avocado? Yeah.
Githeri and avocado. That was my best meal in high school.
Yes. If you eat that one,
As long as you have avocado, githeri will flow.
the whole day you're full.
Githeri will flow. Even with these girls,
Yeah. This
people
one.
say they don't eat girls with beef. That one is avocado and ugali. Flowing.
Hey.
And to add banana.
Yeah.
You finished.
Okay.
Babe, you want to come out? You see, you're harvesting them because you want to do some passion.
Juice.
Yeah, some of them they felt.
Yeah.
You don't want to come and say hi, just hi, because it's winding up.
Okay, guys. Makama tono kindi munena ko.
Yeah, but it's still smelling.
Still smelling. I want to do like this.
That's it, bro. So you see, this one is very, and if you realize, he's very cold. There's a nice breeze coming from this side.
From River YouTube.
Yeah,
Down.
kuna river YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down here, guys.
Yeah, even this coming from here. You know that river is connected also from here. That river is connected from so many places. There's a river coming from the border, they meet there.
Yes.
And there is this one coming from here.
Yeah.
You know,
From
the other side is
Nyantonyo.
hilly. Yeah, from Nyantonyo. now.
Yes, and I need to meet here.
Mm.
And also the crazy thing, that's what running to River Migori and then Victoria.
Oh, this one is going to River Migori?
Yes.
I've never thought where it's going.
If you flow
I know
this,
it's coming. You know, it's good to know where it's coming from, but where it's going, I don't know.
you don't know.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Maybe there's a hard exam. You can't see the end of the water where it's going to.
No, you never
You
see.
follow and then
You
until
never see the end of water.
Yeah.
Even like Victoria, it has some not really branches. It has some outlets.
yeah.
Yeah, that take water maybe to another river or
Yeah.
somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually,
And what I believe,
actually water connects to everywhere.
Yes.
Water is a source, but goes to one place.
and also guys,
It's like blood flowing.
yeah.
I don't
Yes,
know
guys.
how to put it.
And guys, what I believe, water doesn't have a boundary. You know, remember, for example, I don't want
Water
to
does
go.
not
I
have
don't want to
border.
go in Uganda. I didn't have passport, but water it flow from here, like Victoria, and then
Yeah,
Uganda.
it goes. Yeah, it does not have border.
Yes.
You can't control what that pass here or do this. You know,
Sure.
but I'm very lucky that I think my great grandfather was a very smart person. That guy, I clap for him every day. For him to find in this land and where there is a river, he had must thought of so many things.
Nowadays you are enjoying.
I'm trying to enjoy, but what do you mean I'm enjoying?
Yeah, it's because of you appreciate your grandpa having a land alongside the river here.
Oh, now that's
Yes.
making me enjoy. You see,
Yes.
the land, the river has been there.
Yeah.
So I'm enjoying today.
Oh.
Yeah, the river is very fine because what is life, man?
Yeah.
So many people come to wash there, fetch water for agriculture, cows.
For example, your neighbors here. I see one day
Putting
connect
a
the
pump,
pipe and then
Pumping
he's
there.
pumping water. Guys.
The lemon thing,
Yeah.
When you feel a smell thing that way, it's also medicine.
Yes.
You're healing yourself and you don't know.
Yeah.
I believe every plant has purpose.
Yeah. Sure.
Every plant has a purpose.
Sure, guys.
And some, if you use them badly, they can kill you also.
Yeah. Other one can kill you.
Some are just there that these leaves, what you do, you burn them in the fire. If there's someone sowing, you put them in there and then it heals.
Oh.
Have you ever had that?
I know that.
And does not say that you boil the leaves and drink. What if you boil and drink?
You will
And it's a
die.
medicine at the same time.
Yeah.
You'll die.
I know those leaves.
Yeah, just example, but it's rare. I've never had someone drinking and tree dying. No,
Yeah.
I've never. But mushroom, you'll die.
Mushroom?
Mushroom.
If you drink,
Mushroom, if you don't know the specific, you've never had people eating mushroom and dying?
there's other mushroom guys we didn't eat in our village here. There's other we can eat. I know that.
Or we eat, or if you eat, there is some birds that you can never eat. If you eat a bad bird, you might die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, guys.
But now tree, I don't think
Oh,
they might not harm you.
guys are still smelling. Oh. Hey. Hello, baby, on the control.
I should open a small kiosk when I put these leaves.
Yes.
People come to smell.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
That means, and then you pay, you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, other places, no lemon. Guys. No lemon. Yeah, man.
People will be like, this guy is crazy. It's lemon.
Yeah.
This one is Babylonian.
Yeah, man. No lemon other places. Yeah. You need to come at bush dude home and then
smell the lemon.
you smell and then you pay, you go.
Nowadays it's rare to find a lemon somewhere, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even in the market.
Because it's hard even to plant it.
Yes.
I don't thank God that one grew.
And also it takes time to grow.
But
yeah.
you see those ones are growing very fast.
Yeah, it's because of the fertile land.
Yeah, and then when you know this what I've realized with this plant, when you keep on visiting them every day, they grow, they appreciate.
Okay.
You know, I talk with these trees.
Oh.
I meditate with them.
Yeah, guys, I think this is enough to smell this.
You heal yourself, so you came to heal yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyone who want to come here, it's a healing place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can heal it's a therapy place, guys. You know, you can even come roast maize, that's a therapy. You know,
Yeah.
doing
Look,
that process.
Other side, yeah.
It's a therapy.
I feel nice.
So thank you guys, this is the Bushman. I've not shown my channel.
Yeah, show them.
I've
Because
just-
there's a day I give people shout out and then
you
they didn't show.
Oh my
People start
God.
saying, "Oh, hello, baby, you must show people's
No,
channel."
because they forget, and you know it's their priority to remember, not be a Didi.
Okay, guys.
You see, I'm really uploading
The
nice
bush.
videos. Yes.
Man, dude.
Mm-hmm.
See, right
He's
there.
there with a Maasai show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think guys, I show them. Even you can
Guys,
show
go
even,
subscribe,
even your wife. I don't want
oh,
to
my
forget
Gabi,
her.
Gabi, yeah.
Gabi, yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know what she's doing inside there.
Maybe they'll
But,
come. Let's
yeah.
give her time.
She's here. Her channel
Yes,
is there.
guys.
She's also trying, eh?
Okay, guys. You see, right there, Gabi,
Gabi verse 4. That's my baby.
Yeah.
That's my baby.
I think, guys, I have already shown you, and then
Thank you so much, guys. Go
we
show
give her
love.
time. They'll come and then host her around maybe 2 minutes, and then say boom.
I don't know if you.
All right, guys. So let's go. You know, today's on Sunday, and we thank God, man. It's an amazing Sunday like this. It's by God's grace. You know? Wow. So guys, in case you're new here on today's videos, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and I'm outside here, guys, to chase my dream. You know, whether life is hard or not, me, I'm pushing myself. You know, so I think I'm going to border town. I gotta fix one of my hair. You know, when I was doing retouching, bring some issue. Hey, Tracy. Alright, guys. Yeah, let's go. So when I do some retouching, guys, and then they twist two thread, it looks like, let me stand here, guys. I'll show you what I'm mean. So you see, even this one here is one, but it's two. They twist two and then looks one bigger like this. So there's a rope here or a string. I'm going to tie that one in border town for the guy who do for me a retouching of my dread. You know, so let's go, guys. Wow. Life in the village, you know, calm day, you know. Guys, there's a day I spend my day like I think 4 days without, like I think 3 days without posting my videos. Like I feel, man, something crazy. But I thank God, man, I'm back, you know, with positive energy, nice views. Man, when I have my bike, sometimes my video is all about maneuver around with the bike, you know, riding. So I'm planning to do a road trip from the village to Masai Mara, and then yeah, I'll see how things go. Let's go, guys. That's one. Hey, you normally play there because it's very smooth. Way. And then I pass near behind, see? Alright, guys. Let's go. Fish. Oh my God. Let's go, guys, in border town. Hey. Whoa, school bus. How are you, my brother?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
Yeah.
How is everything?
Everything's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hello, baby. How so far so good? How things goes?
Everything's good.
Yeah.
I'm pushing myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to Hero Baby YouTube channel.
Yes.
I'm going by the name Brother Dagi. I'm a content creator. I have a YouTube channel also, guys. You can go there and check me there, Brother Dagi, and subscribe, support me also. I have amazing content coming from here in East Africa, Kenya.
Okay, Dagi.
Yeah.
The good thing I found you.
Yes.
There's one lady,
Yes.
Masai girl, asking me to show you how to stream, and then I'm heading there to fix one of my dread. It's
Yes.
somehow misleading out.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Dan, say hello. Hello, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, like and share, and don't forget Mr. Dan 254 official. Go there, subscribe, share and support. Guys, today we are washing our motorbike at another side. There you can see we are washing the motorbike. After we finish washing the motorbike, we'll go home and we see the progressing, what we are doing at home. So that is the real fact and real.
Wow. That's a tourist vehicle. Okay, how was your project, Mr. Dan?
My project, I am doing well.
Okay.
I am proceeding.
Yes.
And very soon I'll welcome you to see the how
Okay.
the chief.
I will come.
My farm.
I will come. Too, brother. The thing is that you're going to get time. Musharat, hey! Yeah! Atakusaidia huyu?
Hey guys, Aero Baby official is a good boy actually.
Yes.
Support this boy.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So, brother Agi,
Yes.
me I'm heading to Border Town.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? I'm going to do.
Tango terembe hataka kekara.
Okay, guys. Okay. So, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. But our journey is to Border Town. Oh, I see tourist vehicle, man. I never stop this. When we're in our village here, it's pass every time. You know, every second. Pew, pew. Look at that. Hey, Migo. Whoa, tourist. Hey. Okay, guys.
Stay tuning on the channel, guys. Watch until
Mr.
the
Belly. You eat good.
end. Watch until the end, guys.
Okay, guys.
One love.
Okay.
One love.
Hey! Guys, now. Alright, guys, I'm just over here with.
Neko border here, guys. Yeah, went border. As you can see now, we are at the tarmac road.
Yes.
So this is already go through border there. So
Yeah.
I need to carry her baby today.
Yes. Let's go.
Yes.
Hey! Pikipiki yako bana inanukia marashi.
Nimeosha.
Yeah, it's smelling good.
I was, you know, today is a weekend.
Yeah.
Today is Sunday. We need the rats. Take some rest, my friend. After, you know, after travel for a week,
Yeah.
you must have one day which you can rest.
Yeah, only Sunday.
Only Sunday, my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, here we go. Life in the motorbike. There's some buses here. Oh, school bus. Hey. Look at that. And that's where we just on the motorbike.
Yeah. This is called Colorado jet.
Colorado.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, there's some beautiful view here. Right there, guys. You know, see? Okay, let's go. One down. Get out. No problem.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying, guys. On Copuda Jet, Colorado. We are going. Subscribe, guys. Check out Copuda. I really appreciate, guys. Just over here to push ourselves, brother and sister. You know. Hey. Oh. The spot you normally take in Spania, within here. You see where the bus is going? That way, guys. That's where the sport takes place. Right here. Yeah, scout camping. Yes?
Leo kuna mchezo hapa.
Hey, walikuwa na mchezo hapa, scout camping. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Woo. Big machine. Yeah. Africa. Whoa. That's Africa. Right. Keep pushing. From 0-0 up to that top. That's share. Big power. Students, camping students, student here. Hey, what's up, man? Okay. Camping students, man. Life in Bora town. Yeah. Actually, guys, I just come in Bora town to fix one of my trains. That's Bora town. That's how it looks like. And I see so many students, like mostly for the camping students. See them here. Yeah. Push it. Border town.
Yeah. Yo, today is
Nice London.
yeah.
Hey, I see Toyota. Yeah, it's Toyota. You know what, Nico Buddha?
Yeah.
Me, I'm heading this way.
Oh,
Is it kunisimamisha here?
here.
One way. Is it kunisimamisha here? Okay, Nico Buddha. I think okay, bye, bro. So, me, I'm heading this way. I'm gonna fix one of my hair. Sometimes it's crazy. Okay. Okay. Right, left, center. Right, left, center. Right. Whew. I'm gonna fix, guys, my hair. No problem. Where is Oza? Yeah. Enjoying soft life. How are you, my brother?
I'm fine.
Say hi.
Hi.
Sorry for interfering while eating. Finish fast. So, guys, you see here this rope, because they're joining two thread and then tight, so it's unfold. So I need to fold it again. Wow, this is why I came to make my video. Soon I'm in that. Anarudi sai. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm sitting here. I give enough time for my brother, so finish eating and then fixing my hair. Whew. Guys, this is Border Town, and sometimes I'm so like, no idea, guys. I don't know how this long of videos take. Yeah, I'm just pushing. Okay. My hair is growing quick and fast. Let me say, less than 5 years coming, it could be here. Yeah. It's a nice bed sheet, man. White one, right there. And these are towel here for the service. Nataka kitu kafunge, mama umeachana. Hey. I'm telling him to tie this one here. And then they are boiling water. Hey. Whoa. Today no customer here. It's because maybe today's on Sunday. Na Masai gari ameenda. Okay guys. Whoa. Guys, comment on the comment section. How do you see my hair, guys? You see? When it reaches my hair, it's something else. Okay, guys. I think this one. Ni gani? Inakakamba.
Ni gani? Ni kamba tu.
Hii.
Ni kamba.
Funga.
Nafunga maana kata.
Sasa nimefunguka. It's good to look neat and clean. You know? Neat and clean. And the good thing about me, I don't want to like things. So I'm going to border town, fix this, and then you didn't see me. Nah. When I'm saying guys, I mean, you know. So it's a continuation of the video. Yeah. So for my premiere, again, you get these videos earlier. Please share my videos to your friend, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, the only baby in Nyabansi village, guys. You know, you have no another Hello Baby Official. Ishakuwa mekafunga kabisa. Haya. Things. Okay guys. Haya bana, acha mimi nizunguke. Asante. I'm saying asante, the Swahili words means thanks. Kwa ile michezo iko wapi? Bongo.
Arubi.
Ishikie hivi ndio hapo. Guys, today I want to dance Sunday vibe. Hey! Okay, say hello.
Hello. We are here with
Hello, you good?
We are here with the Hello Baby.
Yes.
Hello people, how are you? We are in Sunday vibe, as you see.
Yes, Sunday vibe.
Hey, we are here with the Hello Baby.
Yeah, just over here, guys. Una upload? See, you're uploading. You're uploading. Guys, I wanna check my video, my yesterday video, how it's doing or performing. No idea, guys. That's my channel, guys, you know. Okay, it's 805 805 views, 805 views. Yeah, I'm doing good, guys, not bad.
Don't know what to sell in 2025? Meet Axio for AI.
Guys, if you watch ads like that and then didn't skip, you know, that's how maybe I do something at the end of the month, you know, not skipping like that, watching ads, and then you see my video.
Axio adapts to your needs and uncovers your next.
Yeah, you watch like that ads, and then the video play. No skipping, guys.
So, do you want advice? Or do you
And
want
it must have 2 advertisements. You see, like that. Okay. You wait, and then you see my video. Visit advertiser. I don't know whether it can affect my channel, but it's good to show you guys. Not skip here. When you place here, you skip it. Oh, you see, that's my video. Yeah. Okay, guys. Wow, so it's time to go back home, guys. That's my yesterday video, you know.